Hi everybody, it's Geraldine here with you. I'd like to offer you the opportunity to come and join me to make this quilt. I love it, I hope you love it too. It's based on a Dresden Plate design. It's something we did with the studio over a couple of months, so sometimes in the videos I may refer to next month. Just ignore that, because this we've decided to do as a standalone quilt, which allows you then to come along and join me. There's about 10 videos that will walk you through the process of how to make this quilt. It's machine embroidered and quilted, and then the backing is put on at the end. It's a lot of fun, it's quick. You can do it on any Janome machine, so it doesn't matter what size hoop you've got. There are small squares and there are the bigger squares. You could do it all in the small squares, or you can basically, once you see how it comes together, do whatever you like. So I hope you'll join me. Click on the link below and I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.